What's going on, y'all? It's your boy ENTHUSIAST, and you are tuned in for another one. Man, I've been hustling, I've been grinding, because you know the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. So I took this time to start working on the Chevy so I could come here and I could tell y'all about a giveaway. Yeah, another giveaway has nothing to do with the other giveaway. So this giveaway is hosted by ENTHUSIAST and Super Clean. So all you gotta do is comment on this video, and this Saturday we are picking a winner. Comment on this video to enter to win. You gotta be in the like continental US states. But yeah, it's that simple. The winner will win 1 can of the aerosol Super Clean, and you will also win a can or a bottle of the regular Super Clean. So you get the aerosol and the other Super Clean, so you can keep your ride clean. You know car show season is upon us, and there's no better pride than keeping your whip clean. So make sure you comment on this video to enter to win. This is a limited time only. Drawing will happen on Saturday. You dig? So don't waste your time. Spread the word. ENTHUSIAST and Super Clean is bringing you this giveaway. So make sure you enter to win. Comment. Winners will be drawn this Saturday. And always remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice, to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.